Assalamu alaikum everyone. So amongst all these meme coins, including SHIB, Dodge, Floki is the one that actually made some very good move, and Kishu as well on the other exchanges is actually making a very good move as well. Now Floki at this point of time is of course dangerously pumped to the upside, and there are some few things that I want to tell you that you may want to be careful about Floki. Is that number one is you are super overbought right now. Number two is that in here you have this bearish spinning top, so bearish spinning top. And number three is you're meeting one resistance on the daily time frame or the 4-hour time frame. Actually it's on the daily, so I'm going to dive into the daily and I want to show you that resistance very quickly to make my point. And today's candle, you may close like this and start dropping down tomorrow in the next 16 hours. So do make sure you look at the daily closing. It's super important. Now the next thing is to zoom out, and this really pumped, man. I mean 1400 all the way to 4000. That's huge. Almost like a 2.5x move to the upside. So here we go, and this is your little bit of that resistance that you have, and you can see that this is your one touch here, move down, one touch there, here, move down. And now the thing is that you've broken above it, and what I want to say is that the retest for this trend line is going to be super important. So are we breaking for good or not? That really depends. I just want to go back to the regular chart patterns right there, and I'm actually going to look at like this. I'm just going to drop it just a little bit like that, okay? And let's take the fib retracement and see what happens from the point you are pumping to the upside. So the lowest point was here, all the way to the upside. Now the retracement levels are the following. You may see 3278 as your point of retest, or 2967 as your point of retest in the next coming few days, okay? So maybe come down, retest the fib, which is, these are the golden ratio, and the highest you may the lowest you may even go is to 2656. And if you start to lose 2656, then that's it, okay? You're still going to go even lower, and maybe probably even way more lower, but not right now, okay? I'm not entertaining that idea. So one stop is that those 0.382 and the 0.5 that I showed you is also where the retest is going to happen. So one touch, two touch, break above, come for the retest, and Floki may start flying again. So what I'm going to do is take the trend line, and I may plan this for a trade in my signals as well. So from there to there, we can actually see that this is looking to move up to 58% and eventually just take out this high right there. So it's actually very believable. So we may be looking at a 56% in the future from Floki. So all eyes on Floki right now. This is so interesting. Do you want me to keep doing the updates? Make sure this video gets like 50 likes, and I may actually make another part. And that's it for this quick update on Floki. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.